The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, there is two pieces of videos that is circulating on social media, and these videos shows of an incident that had happened on the 17th of October 2019 at a place that is called Flatbridge, that is located in the parish of St. Catherine, Jamaica. Now, these videos shows where a trailer truck had overturned on the Flatbridge, viewers and subscribers, and you will also see the body of the truck had went off the road. This incident had caused the road to be closed for some time, viewers and subscribers. Now, I cannot tell how long the road had been closed for, but it was closed for a little while or so on. You see me? I am going to show you two pieces of videos put together so that you can have a better understanding as to what had happened. But before I show you these videos, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Flatbridge is today, you know. Just come on a Flatbridge a while ago, cause
Sheila turn over road there, you know?
Sheila turn over, you see me? But I come check out how I go and park up the road there still. See what I go on, you see me? I hope for some gold in all that truck in the morning, you know. Like famous Flatbridge, you know. And it's the artwork them build that one for a long time. Try to design it different, but them can't touch it. You see me? Okay. Yeah, I come off completely. Yeah. Eat there. Right, that Flatbridge with them. See me? Up. Part on that, and Japan with that. One is the boom boom and that. Well, the back Japan. You know, October 21st, performing live. Vintage. That's not the share, no, I perform at this vintage. Where you going? There. Old dog there, you know. Peter Dita. Yeah, I did, see?
Yeah, man.
Look, you can look where I'm going, you see me? How here we are going, and we are saying there's no gold around here. Empty trailer.
Empty trailer.
And boy, I'm work with the toll people them.
Hold on.
That's up, boy. Yeah.
But if me say get money to go for the toll, you know, go.